Well, it's a sad day for us. We're saying goodbye to Dixie, our DRV.
Yeah.
And taking it up to North Carolina to its new home. It's going to be retired up there. So, it's a sad day. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. Here's where it began, and here's what we did together. But before Dixie could take us anywhere, she needed a partner, our big guy, Leroy. Here he is, the day we met up with Leroy, big, strong, and ready for adventure. Dave took the wheel first, but of course, I had to give him a proper test run too. Voila! This was back in 2017 when we took our first tour of Dixie.
Oh, it's so pretty! Jeez, that looks brand new!
Come on, sister.
Wow!
Nice. Oh, I can do this.
This is a good sized shower. Let me get our washer and dryer in here. Oh, nice big bed.
8 years, thousands of miles, countless memories. From mountains to beaches, from quiet campgrounds to bustling rallies, Dixie and Leroy took us there. Dixie's been our home, our adventure base, and our safe haven on the road. After nearly 8 wonderful years, she's off on a new adventure with a new family to love her as much as we have. Well, we sold Dixie, our DRV Mobile Suites, and so now we're going to have to do a shuffle. There goes Leroy. Home at last. So now Dave has this huge workshop on this side. That's gonna make him a happy boy. He's gonna put a man cave in here or something. We love our Dixie.
Yep. I like the Dixie. But I also like space in my toy box.
And he's not eliminating Dixie because of the toy box. It's because of back issues, and we're not getting any younger, and simplicity, I guess you might say. And we're going to meet up with the new owners. Really super nice people. I know they'll take good care of her. It's kind of weird because it's been home for quite a few years, almost 8 years, and it still feels home to us. So next will be Leroy, and that'll even be tougher, especially for Dave.
Oh yeah, getting rid of my boy.
I know. So.
It's like putting your dog down.
Aw, we'll say that. So off we go. It's a beautiful drive today, the kind you wish would last a little longer. One last ride with Dixie and the mountains watching over us. Just a few more turns now, and she'll be at her new home. It's a little bittersweet knowing it's the last time we'll pull her into a campground. But it's a peaceful spot, and I think she's gonna love it here. Hal and Jackie picked the perfect place. We couldn't have asked for a better home on wheels. Dixie and Leroy carried us safely through storms of all kinds, including ice storms, kept us warm on cold nights, and given us a place to belong no matter where we parked. That's more than just an RV, that's family. And we have grown our RV family tremendously with Dixie and Leroy. All the places that we have visited and have so many new friends. Today feels a little like handing over the keys to a piece of our heart. But we're happy knowing she's going to people who will love her just like we have. And here's Dixie's new home. Nice. A lot of good privacy right here. Hey, if you need milk, you got a cow back here.
I know.
all the lights are Volvo.
And looky there. And yes, they have trout. And cows. Well, this is my last time in Dixie. She's got new owners now, Hal and Jackie, and they're just as excited about her as we were the day we brought her home. So, just had to come in and say goodbye to Dixie. She's been very good to us. She's been more than just an RV. She's been our home, our adventure base, and our comfort through thousands of miles. We'll miss her. So goodbye, Dixie. Have fun on your new adventures. You've earned it. Well, it was a sad day for us, but a very happy day for Hal and Jackie, and we hope they enjoyed Dixie as much as we did. Of course, Dixie didn't make all of those miles on her own. She had a partner, our big workhorse Leroy. He was the muscle, the steady pull through mountains, deserts, storms, and highways. Dixie was our home, but Leroy was the engine that carried her everywhere we dreamed of going. Together they took us to incredible places: balloon rides in Albuquerque, dolphin tours in the Everglades, whitewater rafting in Idaho, panning for gold out west, strolling the French Quarters in New Orleans, and riding the Snake River in a jet boat. From the country music streets of Nashville and Memphis to the breathtaking trails of Zion, Arches, Glacier National Park, and Mesa Verde, Dixie and Leroy made it all possible. Together they were more than vehicles, they were our adventure partners. But every adventure eventually turns a page. Dixie's story has a new chapter with Hal and Jackie, and not long after, it was Leroy's turn too. Leroy wasn't just our truck, he was family, the one who hauled Dixie faithfully across the country mile after mile. When we said goodbye to him, it was with the comfort of knowing he was going to a mission bigger than ours. Leroy was purchased by the Fraser Evangelistic Association, where he'll keep rolling across the nation, helping carry their ministry wherever it's needed. So while our journey with him has ended, his story is far from over. Leroy's still on the road, just with a new purpose. We wanted to take a moment to say how much we appreciate you following our journey all these years. From Dixie and Leroy to all the places we've shared with you and the countless fixes Dave has tackled along the way, it's been an incredible ride. But the adventures aren't over. We hope you'll stick around because now we're rolling on with Max, our Super C, and there are plenty more roads to travel, memories to make, and stories to share. Thanks for being part of our RV family. We couldn't do this without you.
My little boy is leaving the house.
Thanks for rolling with Wax on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing you. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.